Box 88 Donruss. I'm going to rip that open and see what I get out of that. Some junk wax today. These aren't. We'll see. We'll put them out here. Let's move it to the side. We'll get to ripping some 36 packs here, huh? Like that there. There we go. We'll just do it like that. Start with these two. Oh, is that flowing around like that? No, like that. Next time we'll just go. We got here Gene Nelson. The Kevin Elster rated rookie. Watch out. Puzzle piece that year. Oh, there's Tom Glavine. Nice second pack. Nice looking card. Yeah, there you go. Not bad. Mark McGuire, second pack. Bill Murphy, MVP, buddy. Good little pack. Not bad on that pack. I'll take it. Wire Glavine pack. About the best you can hope for on this year. Do that up in a minute. Little Tommy John surgery. Jose Lind, rated rookie. Ozzie Guillen. Mookie Wilson, Nelson Lariano, rated rookie. Yeah, 87 was good, 89, 88 Donruss kind of missed it. There you go, Ryan Sandberg, nice looking card. Terry Pendleton. Keep my Cardinals. Steve Lake, come back and grab him later. Packs out, driving me crazy. Bo knows 88 Donruss. Greg Matthews. Come back and get my Cardinals. I'll try to get 36 packs. Forget how many packs that is. Andre. Kurt Hanway. Rated rookie. Another Danny Tartable. Remember my 87 box, I get all these guys too, so it's pretty common. Most of these guys are. I'm going to tear these fast, so let's sit here all day. Maybe we'll fast forward, huh? See what we get at the end. Jack Clark, Jack the Ripper. Glenn Braggs. These guys were hot in the 80s. Another one in the Kurt Manware, Mark Langston, Simon King. Other Mark Langston. Just plain one and a Diamond King. Alright. Call that the Mark Langston pack, I guess. What do we got here? Oh, stacking up my puzzle pieces. Will Clark. There you go. I like that one. Cal Ripken Jr. Diamond King. There we go. Keep him over there with those. Dave Winfield, Hall of Famer. Right? Yeah. John Farrell rated rookie. Watch out. Ricky, New York Yankee. Roberto Alomar, there it is. I guess that's the one you're looking for. Him and what, Mark Grace? Roger. Then to the side. Not a bad little box so far, so good. Going off some Hall of Famers for 88 Donruss. About as much you can hope for. And Ellis Burks, he was hot in there. Jim Rice. Eddie Murray. Bob Welch Diamond. King Cam and Eddie, watch out. I'll file some packs out here. Easier to do it that way, huh? Oop. Had these packs a long time. And plastic bins. Figure it's time to rip them open. Danny Jackson. Another Tommy John. Mickey Brantley. Some Diamond Kings. Kevin Elster rated rookie. Watch out. Gary Carter is a Met. Steve Sachs. Running the 80s here. I need, I guess I'll get a Bonds. I need, a few other ones. What? Canseco. I'll have the 88 run, or the 80s run here. There's the Ripken baseball family. Nice looking card. I can get it right here. Willie. Andre Dawson Diamond King, there we go. Robin Yount, Hall of Famer, there we go. Come back and grab some of those. Just looking for the best cards of the bunch right now, I guess. Put those to the side. Back. Gary Thurman rated rookie. There's Maddox. Nice card. Use that. Alright, let me take the rest of these out here. This pack's out. Sitting in the box. Sorry for the delay. There we go. We'll put them up here. Get all my packs up. Fix my thing a little bit. I like that. Yeah, these packs have been sitting for 30 years. Just waiting to be open. Figured it's time to do it. Let's get some 88 Donruss kicking. Andy Van Slyke Diamond King. Don. Corey Snyder, he was hot back in the day. Nelson Lariano. Kirby, there's Kirby. I like Kirby. Other than Eckersley. Another Greg Maddox, like it. Take it. Dale Murphy again. A lot of puzzle pieces. 88 Donruss, and we are talking. It is, the puzzle is Stan the Man. Love it. Love it. Stan the Man Musial. Alright. Another Andre Dawson. Tim Rock Reigns. Decent, decent. 88 Donruss packs here, guys. About 88 Donruss packs. Billy fuck. Oh. Just ruined that. Bill Ripken card. Hopefully, nobody heard that, right? Billy Black Box Ripken there. Not in that year. It's 89 Fleer with the black box. That's what I was talking about. Jay Buhner, Ellis Burks, Jim Rice. Mike Campbell's rated rookie. Watch out. Just need to pull the Mark Grace rated rookie and I'll have it, man. Spike Owen. Paul Mallett or Diamond King. Nice looking card. There's Nolan. Nice looking card there. Put Nolan in that pile. He's an instant winner. He gets in that pile. Nolan. Bose. My boys. Favorite players here. Yeah, we'll put him in there. I like that. Diamond King. That's a nice looking card. Bobby Bowe. Keith Hernandez, like Gary Thurman. There's Vince. Still a lot of bases, that's for sure. Speed this up for you guys here. See him. It's a good pack to speed through. Adora there. Mike Schmidt. I'll take that to the side. There's Fred. Crime Dog. Upside down in that pack. First pack that happened. Oh, yeah. A few more here. Andy Van Slick. some refeats for sure. Yeah, it's 88 Donruss junk wax, man. What do you expect here? There's Daryl. Donruss MVP. There's Cal. Nice card. Al Leiter's ready to rookie. Watch out. Alan from Diamond King. Terrible. That picture. Oh no. There you go. There's George. It's a nice card. We'll keep him. Andre. Eric Davis was. Everybody wanted that card in the 80s. Eric Davis, he was good, huh? Strawberry, oops. There you go. That's nice. Take that. Andres Galarraga. Willie Randolph, Dave Brigatti in the Yankees pack here. Benito as the Diamond King. Another Gary Carter. Jerry Don Gleaton. Kirby. Jose. Jeff Treadway's rated rookie. Ray Klinos. 2 more packs. Last 2 here. Let's see what we got. What is it going to give me? Upside down. Sean Abner's rated rookie. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That one is a keeper. I keep bumping that tripod thing, man. I'll find a better spot for that. Whatever. Just figuring this out. Doing it on some junk wax. Fernando Batten, bro. The bat clean up. I mean, don't show him pitching. Let's show him as a hitter. Pascual Perez. You need his 82 Fleer or air card. Excellent guy. So yeah, not a bad overall. Like it. You can get the Mark Grace, got the Roberto Alomar, whatever. Like it matters. It's 88 Donruss wax, isn't it? Here it is. There's my Maddox. There's a couple Maddox. Cal's a Bow. I like Bow. Mark. You get the Mark. Lavin, Maddox. Overall pretty good. Thanks for watching if you did. I'll be opening more later.